In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to tap on this section, which is Security and Privacy. Now scroll all the way down, don't worry, I tested it before recording, and click on More Privacy Settings to scroll again, and this way access Permission Manager. Here you need to tap on one of those features. Let's go with Camera and see which apps have access all the time. They will be listed under Allowed all the time, Allowed only while in use, or last section, which is not allowed to use your camera. Let's go with Chrome and pick one of those. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I will go with allow while using, so when I go back and check it out, I can see that Chrome gained access to my camera if I'm using it. But what most people miss is that you can actually pick any feature and look for an app you wanna manage instead. Let's go into Camera again, this time to access WhatsApp. Click on it, and instead of picking any of those options, select See All Permissions at the bottom in blue text. Now you can manage all of those from here, only for chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!